Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow fluff. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients, which typically include 3 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. You will also need 1/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your stand mixer, whisk attachment, and a heat-proof bowl are all clean and ready for the process. Now let's get cooking. In your heat-proof bowl, combine the 3 egg whites, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Place this bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk the mixture constantly until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your mixture reaches the target temperature, carefully transfer it to the bowl of your stand mixer. Using the whisk attachment, begin whipping on high speed. This is where the magic happens. Continue whipping for about 10 to 12 minutes. The mixture will transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly fluffy marshmallow cream. During the last minute, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. Congratulations, you've made homemade marshmallow fluff. To store your delicious creation, simply transfer it into an airtight container. It will keep beautifully at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, maintaining its wonderful texture and flavor. This versatile treat is perfect for spreading on toast, swirling into hot chocolate, or using as a topping for your favorite desserts. Enjoy every sweet spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.